Yo, what's good with you guys? Your boy Regallo is back with another video, and today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a challenge where we're only going to be on Picsart. We are not using Photoshop at all. Let's see how good we can do on Picsart. I've used Picsart in the past, but I don't have as much experience as I do with using Photoshop. I mean, I used it growing up here and there with like thumbnails and stuff like that, and they were all horrendous, but I still have somewhat knowledge on that app. So let's see what we can cook up. I'll see you guys on the phone. Alright, so we're now on Picsart, and yeah, we're finna just go to the little plus and get started. Let's do a little template or whatever. Oh shit, I wish they would let you choose what size, bro. It's like that's the main thing that sets aside this from Photoshop. Alright, boom. I just went with a little white background like you would get on Photoshop. Alright, so from here, you got all the pictures. Let's just import them in. I don't know how the layers and stuff works on this app, so we just gonna work with what we got, I guess. Okay, still like Photoshop. So then, boom, we got these two layers. So this, bro, this one's heavily AI. Bro, you look like a robot, bro. Look like a clay animation. Alright. So yeah, we see we got Jace. Trying to figure out how we're gonna do this. Let's go with this one, bro. And then, boom. So now we got a little Jace right there. We don't have no textures on here either, bro. Like, what's the effects looking like? Hold on, they got some pressure. This as well. Let's remove the background on this too. Right, let's put this behind this. And then put that back, lock this so that we can then take this and like rotate it a little bit. Yo, bro, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Alright, perfect, guys. Now we got this. Let's do auto on here and see if it gets rid of all of it. I can say that the little. Okay, now you're gonna make me pay to remove the back. Okay, all right. I'm not paying for shit. All right. Yep. Blah blah blah. It's getting canceled right after this video. Yeah, let's go like put that like right here or something. It's just like where he's from. I wish there was like a, bro, there's like no rectangle or nothing. Wait, no, there is a marquee tool on here. I know there is. God, bro, this layout is just trash. It's butt. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. Let's go for like this. Oh, also, if y'all are rocking with this video, let me know, bro. I'll do more videos like this where I'm being more like interactive with you guys, you know, like I'm actually talking, you know. I kind of rock with the commentary side, you know. But yeah, also let me know if you use Picsart to edit anything, bro. I can do more Picsart videos as well. Alright, so like you can see we got this little collage thing going. Now I feel like it's missing something, right? Like we're definitely missing something in this cover we got going, bro. It just look like a damn look. This nigga look like a fucking claymation. Like, bro, this shit's funny as hell. Alright, so can you even merge layers in here, bro? This episode, but oh my god. Let's put that back there. don't even think you can merge layers on this shit. But I know for sure you can blend. Yep, you can blend. Okay. Perfect. Oh, shit. Wait, did I duplicate it? What the? Dog. So where's the... Oh. Okay, let's put this down. Let's lock some of these layers so it just stops. Let's see how small you can make it. Trying to get him in. I think that's cool, Joe. I'm not really sure. Hey, bro, I be knowing my underground rap lord, bro. I know what I be talking about, bro. And also, Jace, if you seeing this, bro, drop a comment, man. I know you be around, bro. I know y'all has be around. I know. Look at this, bro. Alright, how do you merge these though, bro? This is like getting ridiculous, bro. How do I merge layers, bro? Can I make this bigger, bro? Like, this app is ass. We just doing stuff right now, just see how stuff look. A little collage cover. How do you turn the opacity down, bro? Alright, let me see. My bad, I've been very quiet. I'm just trying to realize what I'm doing, bro. A lot. Bro, like, what in the hell? You can't organize this shit to no extent, bro. Holy. Alright, perfect. Now, okay, I think it'll look better like this. I just wish I knew how to mess with the oh, there it goes. Jace look Mexican as fuck.
You sit in front of the computer all day. Oh my god, Jace!
Now, since it doesn't let us, oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Bro, I didn't even do that. Like, what? Let's do a little friendly blur. I look mad as hell. I'm gonna keep that one like that. Alright, now what we're gonna do is save all of this. It's a PNG. The dimensions, let's do 3000 by 3000. Alright, let's just act like it's not acting like an ass. Let's go here to the adjust, and let's play with the filters. These like our camera raw filters right here, babe. Hold on. Let's do shadow. There probably is a vignette thing on here. Just gotta find it. Highlights. Turn the highlight up. Yo, this ain't that bad. Oh my god. It's Picsart, bro. Like, hell no, that one was weak. Beer ass, that's on me. That's cool. That's not what we looking for. Like, bro, I'm not gonna lie, some of this stuff is cool as hell though. Let's do a little blur. And then what I wanna do is, since I didn't do it before, cause it was so weak, bro, I don't know what the hell's going on. So let's go on here. Let's blend it. And then let's go through to the effects. Let's add in this. Let's heavily blur it. Then let's add in, we're gonna go through and heavily blur that bit. I don't know fucking Uber Eats. Alright. Heavily blur that bit. Yo, bro, what happened? Y'all can't see I'm not professional with this shit, though. Like, real deal, bro. I'm real deal. Hop on any app. I hop on any app and go crazy, bro. I hop on Instagram story and go crazy, bro. I make the craziest cover of all time, bro. On Instagram story. Yo, how do you get vignette on here, though, bro? I'm like low-key finna get pissed, bro. Let's go, boom. Boom. Okay. Throw that there. And then, bro, would be real, I'm losing it. Wait. Yo, what if I do like something with the oil painting or something? Cause it'll look cold because it's blending through. So let's see. Yeah, fuck no. Look like I did AI. Look like I'm using AI, bro. Wait, hold on. Okay. Where's the vision at, bro? Yo, so if he gets the job done, though, I guess. Not this, but I'm gonna use this for something. I know what I'm gonna use this for. Oh, never mind. I can't even use this no more because I don't have layers. Nice. Wait, I don't want hue. I don't want hue at all. About the best way to do this, just change this. Look at this. Hold on. Alright. You know what? I'm proud of what we got. I'm proud of where we made it with this. This is low-key pretty hard. Alright, just save it as a bit. Just save it, man. Let's play with curves real quick, though. Just. Okay. This is ass. For the amount of tools they got, though, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, nah. I don't know what the hell I'm doing now. Okay. There's no tool. Wait. Can I draw with this? Make a little border. Oh yeah. Blur it. Oh yeah. We got the vignette on there. Alright. We didn't throw no textures on it at all, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Because, okay, whenever I try to download textures on my phone, this shit like tweaks. Like, bro, I really need to like restart my phone. It's whatever. Alright, this is what we got. We're done. We'll no longer be using this app and it will be possibly getting deleted. Alright, you guys, I'm editing the video right now and I just want to say thank you if you made it this far. If you made it this far, make sure you comment down a question mark emoji so I know that you got this far. And like this video, subscribe. Also, go check out my Instagram if you haven't. There's a bunch of cool art over there. And you can get something for yourself if you need to. If you're an artist looking for art, be sure to hit me up. Peace.